Hello, good afternoon. My name is Solis Gomez Josubardo of Carver Priors Level C, and we are going to do a CD generator. For this project, we will need a small wooden table, scissors, one ruler, one or two pallets, a marker, a cutter, a wooden stick, compass, a glue gun, 2 CDs, electrical motor, 2 rubber bands, 2 LEDs of different color. In this moment I have yellow and red, and carton a lot.
First, we will draw a cardboard circle with a circumference less than a city. Now, we will carefully cut out the circle. When we have it, we will stick it to a CD and then to another CD. Careful, as focused as possible, please. And we have already made our poly. Now, with a wooden stick, we will insert into the center of our poly. Next, we will draw 4 trapezoids of the same measurements. The important thing is that they have enough height so that they don't touch the ground. Then, we will glue pairs of the cardboard to obtain 2 trapezoids. Now, we will make holes in the 2 trapezoids like this. With 3 fingers, we will leave space from the tip to the CD. And now, we will seal the CD and stick with silicone. Then, we are going to skid it the other way. Now, on the larger base of our trapeze, we will apply silicone. And we will stick it on the wooden base. If you like to, you can seal it with duct tape. We will put the wooden stick in the trapeze and leave about 5-6 centimeters to then put the rubber band between the CD and the trapeze. We are going to introduce another trapeze, and also we will seal with silicone. And now we are going to draw a rectangle, doesn't matter what be measurements. And cut the rectangle from the end to the end to get 2 triangles. These triangles will reinforce the trapeze. We will leave about 4 fingers and cut the wooden stick. Now, with a wooden pallet, we will cut it approximately in half but without touching the wooden base. We are going to drill a hole throughout the circumference of the wooden stick. Then we have to make 2 holes in the pallet where we will introduce the wooden stick and a small arm. We will introduce the rubber band inside the pulley while we also glue the electric motor to the wooden base. In this part, I measured the amount of voltage produced by the engine with a multimeter. We have to connect one cable with the connection of the LEDs and the same with the other cable.